mo si Mark Meneses. Nakaplay ako kay Lola Tots. Good evening everyone from Sis Maribig. Hindi siya siguro si Brian. Girly room si Sis. Tingnan mo pati yung aking kurtina. Pero favorite ko talaga black. Sa gamit. Sa gamit lang mahilig ako sa pink. Pero pag nalabas ako, lagi ako naka all black. Pati bag ko. Lahat ng bag ko mga black. January has been very busy for me, but today is not a busy day. I have not had time until today to join my YouTube friend. Nice to be with you again. Thank you so much, Brian. For your time. Luto lang ako, sis almusal. Ay, good morning na pala sa'yo dyan, sis Dit. Good morning, good morning. Thank you so much. Nag-highlights ako kasi wala akong video. Sayang. For M. Shouty. Almusal mo, sis Dit. Bro Nazareth! Good evening! Bro Nazareth! Ba't ang dilim nito ang akiwan? Thank you so much for visiting my live. I miss always your live. Yan, please don't skip the ads. Nagigil. Ba't ang damot ng ads sa akin? Hindi agad napasok. $35 na